In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cash calculator in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable worksheet that quickly totals cash based on the denominations you handle and the quantities you count. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and creating a new blank workbook. A fresh sheet keeps things simple, so we'll build everything from scratch. Think of this as a lightweight tool you can reuse whenever you need to count cash. At the top of your sheet, set up 3 headers in row 1. In cell A1, type denomination. In B1, type quantity input. In C1, type total amount formula. These 3 columns are the backbone of the calculator. Denomination will hold the value of each bill or coin, quantity is where you'll enter how many of each you have, and total amount will calculate the value per row automatically. Now list your currency denominations in column A, starting in A2 and moving down. Use values that match your cash mix, such as large bills at the top and smaller coins at the bottom. Keep them as numbers so Excel can calculate correctly. If you include coins, you can use decimals for cents. Next, create the formula that calculates the value for each line. Click cell C2 and type it's A2, B2, then press enter. This multiplies the denomination by the quantity for that row. You'll see the total value for that specific denomination appear immediately. To apply this calculation to the rest of your list, use the fill handle. Select C2, then drag the small square at the bottom right corner down through the rows that contain your denominations. Each row will automatically adjust the formula to match its own line, giving you a total amount per denomination. To get your overall cash total, move to the first empty cell beneath your totals in column C. If your last denomination is in row 10, click C11 and type each OSUM C2 C10, then press enter. This adds up all the line totals into one grand total. If your list is longer or shorter, just adjust the C10 part to match your final row. Finally, improve readability with number formatting. Highlight the columns that hold money values such as A and C, and apply the accounting or currency format from the Home tab. You can also adjust decimal places so your amounts look consistent and professional. With that, your cash calculator is ready to use and easy to read at a glance.